All right, fifth grade, open up to the third page in your packet. We're looking at toucan fraction, where we've got the happy toucan sitting down. Toucan fraction number 3 today. The objective is changing an improper fraction to a whole number or a mixed number, expressed in lowest terms. So what we did yesterday is we took mixed numbers to improper fractions. Today we're doing the exact opposite, taking improper fractions to mixed numbers. This is a review. It's something you learned way back in October, but we're reviewing it today before we get into our new unit on multiplying fractions, okay? So here's a little diagram that I want you to write on a piece of paper or a sticky note and keep it in front of you while you're working today. My numerator is bigger than my denominator. In order to convert that, I put it a division bar. Hey, we just studied division. Where I put my numerator in the box and my denominator out. My quotient is going to be my whole number, and if I have a remainder, that's going to be my new numerator. And then it gets written as a mixed number this way. Whole number to the left, numerator on top, denominator on the bottom. All right, let's keep that in front of us at all times today. We need to know that. So let's take a look at the first one. We've got 12 ninths. Now if I'm operating on 12 ninths, what I need to do is set up my division bar. Set up my division bar. What goes in the box? 12 does. What goes outside of the box? 9. Okay, what's 12 divided by 9? Don't think about it too hard. How many 9s fit inside of 12? Only 1 do. And remember, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. 1 times 9 is 9. 9 subtract 12 is 3, so you get 1 remainder, 3. Now how do I write that all? Look above. My quotient is my whole number. My remainder is my numerator. My denominator stays the same. Okay? So 12 ninths becomes 1 and 3 ninths. And remember, just like we talked about yesterday, this number and this number are identical. If you ate one whole pizza and 3 slices out of another, or if you ate 12 slices of pizza, if the pizza's been cut into 9 pieces, you've ate the same amount. Alright guys, now let's take a look at an example where I might not get a mixed number. Because on some of your homework, you're not going to get a mixed number, and I'll show you why. Okay, let's take a look at 4 halves. Alright? 4 halves. Well, let's go ahead and go through the strategy, make the division bar. 4 goes in the box, 2 goes out. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 subtract 4 is 0. Did I get a remainder? No, I did not. There's no remainder there. So because there's no remainder, I don't need the fraction bar. I don't need to say 2 and 0 over 2, okay? I don't need to do that. I can just say 2 is my answer. So 4 halves is the same thing as saying 2. Alright guys, put that into practice today on toucan fraction number 3.